feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign.
Android TV, NVIDIA Shield, all of these devices are some of the fastest devices you can get. But they can run slow, and it can be really annoying. I'm going to show you how you can make it run even quicker, faster, smoother, and it's going to be simple. No apps installed, nothing needed, nothing new, nothing extra. It's all built in, and there's a couple of settings you can change to make this happen, and it's all free. So, before we do that though, do make sure, if you want to help support the channel, do hit that follow button, and make sure you drop your thoughts underneath, and let me know what device you are using, because we are branching out a little bit more at the moment. So, I am demonstrating, no point my head being there, let's go down here. I am demonstrating on a NVIDIA Shield, but this process I'm going to show you now will work on your Android TV devices, Google TV devices. Wording might be slightly different. This isn't for Fire Sticks or Fire TV, okay? So, what you're going to do, you will notice as you move through, it can run a little bit slow, okay? And as you say, open up an application, there, it's quite slow to get going, and it can be a lot sharper, a lot quicker. And how do we do it? Yours may even be slower than mine. I'll keep mine pretty well set up. What you're going to do is go to your settings, and in here, you're going to look for something similar to device preferences or system. Click it, and then you're going to find the about section. What we're going to do is become a developer on our Android TV devices. So click on about, and then go down to wherever the build is, okay? Wherever the one which says build, and click that, say, I think it's 7 times, and it will say at the bottom, you are now a developer. Okay. Once it's done that, if you go back one screen, you can then scroll down, and you have a developer options section under your device or your device preferences, your system. Open this one up, and it's very important once in here, have a little look through a few things, but don't go just turning anything on you fancy. A lot of settings in here can end up kind of bricking your device if you don't know what you're doing. Okay, this is what for developers to test things on the device, to test apps, that sort of stuff. So there is a few things you can do, like screen will never sleep while charging. Some of the things are mainly designed for phones. But if you keep going all the way down, and you're going to keep going down, you're going to go to a setting when we get there, which is here. So you want to get the setting which is drawing, okay? Once under drawing, you've got window animation scale, transition animation scale, animation duration scale, okay? This is the animation for maybe transitioning between apps, between pages, between windows, and these can be turned off. If you turn that to off, and the transition animation scale to off, what you'll see is everything is quicker. There's no animation in between. Do not turn off animator duration scale. Do not turn this one off. This one here, if anything, you can slow down. This one here would control things like if you have a mouse toggle on your device. So if you had a mouse toggle on FireSend in the browser, on Downloader, or a mouse toggle in general, that controls that. So if you turn it off, it pings around and you can't control it. Okay, so do not turn that one off, but you can turn off transition animation scale and window animation scale. Then, when you're back on your home screen, it will ping down and everything will jump between without any issues. Okay, so if you clicked on an app to load, there's no animation. Did you see how quick that just loaded? So if you clicked on that one, bang. Netflix is a little bit different because there's this big splash screen, but let's go here. Straight in, okay? No animation in between, nothing like that. It will just ping open. And that is the difference. So you can move down your screen quicker. If it's too fast, all you have to do is go back to settings, device preferences, developer options, and then go back to those settings and adjust them. A lot of people do turn them to 0.5 instead. So it's not too quick. Window animation scale, transition animation scale. I've done them off, but you can put them to 0.5 instead. So it's a little bit faster, but not instant fast, you know, but do not touch this one. Okay, do not touch that. Brilliant. Hopefully you've all liked that video. Hopefully that'll be helpful. We haven't done too many on the Android TV recently. We are bringing you a video tomorrow, I would have thought, on NVIDIA Shield Android TV regarding malware and clearing out storage. That is to come. But until then, hit that follow button. If you need a VPN, follow the link underneath. Stay safe online. I've been Dr. Squiffy, and I'll see you on the next one.